Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl, born and raised, but now is living in North Carolina. This channel is aimed to motivate and inspire you. I hope you enjoy. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. What's up? I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. Okay, so y'all, I wanted to come out here to look at the garden and bring y'all out, see what's going on in the garden as of right now. Today is February 5th. Today is February 5th. And I wanted to see what's going on. Well, show y'all what's going on. I know what's going on out here. What's going on in the garden and what areas I'm going to be changing up or doing or whatnot. So yeah, so this is gonna be a garden tour. All right, y'all, so I have the screen up. Well, I have the screen up in here, so that just means I got it up and got the screen part. So yeah, so everything is looking really good. I gotta come out here and water. So if you see the white stuff that's on it, that is my diatomaceous earth. But I do need to come out here and water everything or whatnot. Stuff is doing really well. I got broccoli and different things. I see some that I'm going to take up because I got some more stuff I need to pop in or whatnot. So I'll probably come out tomorrow and do all the watering and stuff. But my greens and everybody is looking really good. The Swiss charts and all that is looking good. In here, I just wanted to let that diatomaceous earth be in there a good bit to make sure, you know, any unwanted pest or whatnot, it can do its job. Right here I got 2 collard greens. Over here in my overwintered oh, wait a minute, let me see something. This right here was my potatoes, and we had that frost and stuff. They had died back, so it's just like, you know, grass growing in there now. They had died back like before New Year's. So let me just peek off in here. Oh, if I can get it to open. Peek off in this one. Like I said, this one not too much, but you have to come out and check. I got beans in there. You have to come out and check. So this is pretty much empty things. I have some strawberry plants and some of my blueberry bushes and stuff is in there. So not much going on in there, but I got something very exciting I want to show y'all. I looked and I was like, yes, this is a good sign that spring is coming. Spring is coming. She's leaning. I got to fix her. But this is my pear tree. And look what it's doing. I was so excited to see that, y'all. That is so wonderful. That's what I would say. The fig tree, tangerine. Oh my, this is the, what is this one? The plum tree. So I can't wait to see flowers and everything on it. My olive tree right here, and my peach tree, and my apple tree. But I'm trying to get in here because it's getting a little chilly out here. Trying to get in here. Okay, let me show y'all something. Whew. Look at this. Flowers. This is some peas that I left off in there, and I'm gonna have to transplant it. So I took all my seedlings out and put them in the garage because I told y'all about the frost. I need to come harvest those. But the when it gets cool, and because I had to take the heater back or whatnot, I decided to just take them in because I would need like 2 or 3 of these to get it up to the temp I need for seedlings. So I left this out. Y'all remember growing the carrot tops just for the leaves to put in salads, and these were store-bought carrots. And remember, I cut the tops off the store-bought carrots and put them in here for the leaves. Well, these are those carrots. And then y'all remember the collard greens that I took and I just put them directly in dirt. Some I put in some water, and some I use my method that I love best, is putting it in dirt. Well, that's those greens. Got these leeks, so I need to come out here tomorrow and definitely do a harvest and water some stuff. I got my spinach and some Swiss chard right here from seed. I need to go ahead and harvest some of those. And these are some old beans. They don't, well, peas, they don't have flowers on them, but I know I need to come take care of those. So that is what's going on in here. All right, y'all, I came from outside because it was cool. It's chilly out there now. But these are my seedlings. So let me show you what's done popped up since the other day. My green tree collards right here is doing really good. I got some tomatoes that's been popped up, that is popping up. Arugula. I'm about to water everything. Got radishes that's popping up. Y'all can see those. I got a lot of peppers that they take a while. I don't expect no peppers to pop up no time soon. I got some tomatoes and everything right here. So I showed y'all the other day in the video that I used this lamp. So now I have an area of what I need to do. These are my red giant greens, mustard greens. They popping up, and some salad bowl lettuce. Salad bowl lettuce is popping up. So I got a lot of food. Got sugar daddy peas that's popping up. So yeah, a lot of food. Got more of these garden peas right here. So yeah, y'all, this is food. This is food, and it is so exciting when you start to see stuff popping up. Yes, y'all, so that is what's going on. So I'm going to be like sketching out what I need to do. There's a lot more stuff I need to start. I just been trying to wait until these, it's really during the day it's fine, it's like mid-50s or something like that, but at night, on some nights, you drop down to 32 degrees or something. And the thing about it, if the seedlings was already, you know, grown a little bit, they will be fine out there. But it's the fact of getting them germinated. I was loving the fact that I had, oops, knocked my earring out, that I had the heater out there, but like I said, it went out. And when I did research on it and saw the reviews and stuff, the reviews wasn't good. So getting another one, but I'm not gonna worry about a heater right now for it, or either putting more of my heat lamps, because the heat lamps literally work. You just need more of them. The chicken coop heat lamps, they work. But I'm not gonna worry about it because we so close to spring. So I ain't trying to worry about putting no heat lamps or nothing like that in there now. Just gonna let it rock the way it is and just do my seedlings. And then God said the same next winter, then hopefully I have it set up to where it'll be just fine. But now I have a outlook of what I'm gonna do, y'all. That pear tree, it just like, yeah, it's coming close to that time. It's coming close to that time. So I know I got a lot of work to do. That's why I'm starting seeds so I can pull up, take out. Now I will say this, here in my area, broccoli and cabbage and stuff, I don't know if it's my backyard. I feel like it is, because some parts of my area they can do it just fine, but I always have an issue with cabbage and broccoli. And that's another thing, grow what grows good. It's just the cabbage and the broccoli. I don't know what it is, y'all. But that's all right though, because I got other things to put in this spot. Different varieties of things that's still cabbage and stuff that grows differently, a little bit differently, but your normal ones is just like, so I know I got a lot of work to do. Go out there, I got stuff to pull up, I got stuff to, you know, to pull up and change out and all that. That's why I'm trying to drop as many seeds as I can. So when Home Depot and Lowe's and Tractor Supply put out all day $5, $6, $7 pots that's got like 4 or 5 plants in it, I can just go to my greenhouse, and by that time everything will be out there. I'll be starting seeds out there. I can just go to my greenhouse and just pull out what I need. Okay, and that's what I'm saying. If you cannot get a big greenhouse or nothing like that, get you one of them $50 greenhouses just from Tractor Supply. Get you I got 2 of them out there. Get 2 of the $50 greenhouses, or one of them from Tractor Supply. It is still a greenhouse. Yes, you can walk in, you can stand up. You can't do what you do if you have a long one or something, but you still can start your seeds in there, and it's great. So get you one of those or whatnot. Everybody that has that's growing outside should have a greenhouse of some sort. If it's just one of those little ones, you should, because it comes in handy. Okay, I got 2 of them from Tractor Supply, and they last. You hunker them down like you're gonna hunker anything else down. They are fine. You hear me? They are fine. So y'all, we gotta get ready to grow this food for so many ways, so many different reasons why we got to grow this food. Okay, so many different reasons. So yeah, so I hope this video was motivational. That's the main thing. And I enjoy doing the little garden tour. I just can't wait to where it's just abundance of all type of greens and all type of fruits and vegetables hanging off, and we go out there and we putting them together and picking them off and doing all this other stuff. I can't wait for that. You hear me? I can't wait for that. So it's coming, y'all. If it's God's will, get excited about it. Now is the time to start these seeds inside. Okay, because today is February 5th. I'm in zone 8, zone 8A, but you can just say zone 8. My people from back home in my hometown, you know who you are, because if y'all know, okay, no, you don't know who you are, because a lot of y'all don't know what part of Mississippi I'm from. So I'm speaking to y'all. I am from Crystal Springs, Mississippi. That is by Hazelhurst, Brookhaven, going down that way. Or if you want to come up, you got Crystal Springs, Terry, Byram, Jackson, Mississippi. Just like, maybe you get on the highway and you drive, you about like 15 minutes from South Jackson. Okay, I used to live in Jackson once I got 18 and got grown and on my own and went away from home and all that. This is where I was living at then in Jackson. So those of you that's familiar with that area, you're in zone 8. Okay, so y'all know I always say, try to see who pulling in my yard. Okay, they turning around. Y'all be watching. Okay, you're in zone 8, if I'm not mistaken. That's your girl zone. But like I always tell you, we can be in the same zone and still have different weather. So don't always go off your grow zone. But they are similar in a lot of ways, because we're in the same zone. You just may have one or two things or a couple things that may not grow. Like, and you be like, well, we're in the same zone. But yeah, but you know, I'm coastal zone 8 and you may be inland zone 8. You know, so it's still different, but we still can start we start everything pretty much. It's just some things may not grow, but you on the same growing scale as me. Just because I'm up here, I'm in zone 8. All right, so I said that all to say, my people from back home, get the growing, get the growing, get the growing. My people from everywhere else, get the growing, get the growing, get the growing. But y'all know how it is. So yeah, now is the time to start these seeds inside. Now it is the time to start these seeds inside. Okay, I'm telling you, I may not be able to respond. I do have people that I know from back home, a couple of classmates. You know who you are. You ask me information saying you want to get into gardening and all that type of stuff. I may not be able to respond back to your messages. I have so much to do. So I try to put a lot of information in the videos and stuff like that for you. So I'm saying now is the time to start your seeds inside, especially for things like tomatoes and peppers and all that type of stuff. Because up here, our last day of frost, they say, y'all know, there always be a snap though after that, but the date on the calendar thingamajigger is March 19th. March 19th. Today is February 5th. Come on now. Come on now. A lot of stuff takes about 60 days to even harvest. So you need to start getting your seeds started now, okay? It's that time to start preparing now, so you can start popping stuff in the ground, and you ain't waiting until August to get a harvest. Anybody got time for this? No, we need to be harvesting as soon as possible, okay? As soon as possible. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was information for somebody, okay? I understand I got a lot of people that is seasoned in the gardening, so I'm talking to you, but I'm not talking to you. There's a lot of people that's not seasoned in the garden, that are new. I am talking to them. So if I say something that you already know, then that's just the way it is, because I have a lot of comments of people that's first time gardeners, just starting, and that's why I don't want back and start doing things, videos that I said I wasn't gonna do, because I already got them. But I had to rethink and be like, hold up, there's new people on your channel that didn't get to see those videos or may not know how to find those videos, and they trying to start. So girl, boy, I got you. I got you. So we're gonna keep it simple, okay? Get you some seeds, because they everywhere. Dollar Tree, 4 for $1. Nope, the seeds at Dollar Tree is not $1.25 each. They are 4 for $1. Even though everything else is $1.25, they are 4 for $1, and baby, people is snatching them up. You hear me? They're snatching them up. So get your seeds. Get your seeds. Get your seeds. Okay. Let me see. I know Tractor Supply got seeds out. Target been had seeds out. I did videos on them telling you that stuff been out since the beginning of January. Okay. So get your seeds and stuff. Get you some seed starting mix. Get you some of them little cups from the Dollar Tree. They like 6 on a pack. You can get the smaller ones 12 in a pack, $1.25. Get you the cups and start your seeds inside. Okay. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so we notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all was motivated and inspired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye.